Hi, Miss Tillman's class. Okay, this is lesson 6-4, and it's writing multiplication stories. We have already learned how to use multiplication to solve problems. Today, we're going to learn how to write different stories for multiplication facts. I want you to know that informal story problems are created in everyday life. For example, if you and a friend bake muffins for a bake sale, you might say the following to find the total number of muffins you baked. Kara and I baked 6 muffins per 10. We baked 4 tens. So we baked 24 muffins in all. Okay. 4 times 3. How could we write a multiplication story about 4 times 3? I want you to pause the video and work this out. If you want to get your parents involved or your brother and sister, go ahead and do that now. And I want you to write a story problem for this, a word problem, like we do every single day, using 4 times 3. Go ahead and pause the video now and complete your work. Okay, Miss Tillman made one up. Sheila has a page of stickers. There are 4 rows of stickers, and each row has 3 stickers in it. How many stickers are there on the page? So, 4 times 3. I'm going to draw an array. There are 4 rows with 3 in each row. There are my stickers on the page. To find my answer, I can use repeated addition. I can use my multiplication. I can use counting the dots in the array. My answer is 12. 4 times 3 is a product of 12. Count it. 3, 6, 9, 12, right? I could also do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That will also give me 12. Okay? What was your multiplication story? Did you have your parents solve it? Maybe you should pause the video now and see if they can solve your word problem. Did they get it right? How did you check them? Okay, so after you've discussed your word problem with your parents or your brother or sister, I want you to think about some other stories you could write. What are the objects that you're going to use in your story? How many groups will there be? And how many objects will be in each group? These are the 4 things that you need to think about when you're writing multiplication word problems. What are some different ways to think about multiplication? Well, we have talked about using equal groups, arranging things in an array, comparing the quantities, drawing pictures, right? Repeated addition. How can the way you think about multiplication help you when you write a multiplication problem? Well, I know that it can help me choose a way to how to solve the problem. So I want you to write two or three more stories on your own. Share them with your parents, okay? Draw your pictures, draw your arrays, draw your multiplication sentences, use your repeated addition. I want you to pause the video, do a couple of problems with your parents, and then I want you to come back. Did you write your stories? Did your parents solve them? Did your brother and sister solve them? Okay, I'm going to leave you with one more problem that I want you to do, and I want you to be able to come in tomorrow ready to talk about it. I want you to write a multiplication story about this. 4 times 2. Simple as that, but you need to write me a word problem. I want you to be able to draw an array, show me the repeated addition, show me your multiplication sentence, and your product. Hope you have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow for Math Workshop.